Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen quietly. First, select softer noodle varieties as they tend to cook and eat with less noise. Prepare all your ingredients, like chopped vegetables or proteins, beforehand to minimize clatter during cooking. Use a wide, shallow pot for boiling water, which helps prevent noisy bubbling and splashing. This careful preparation sets the stage for a peaceful meal. When cooking, aim for a gentle simmer rather than a rolling boil to reduce noise from the water. Stir your noodles and broth with a silicone spatula or wooden spoon, as these materials create less sound against the pot. When it's time to add your toppings, do so slowly and deliberately to avoid any loud splashes or clanking. These small adjustments make a big difference. To keep things quiet at mealtime, serve your ramen in a wide, shallow bowl, which makes it easier to access the noodles without scraping. Use chopsticks or a fork to gently lift noodles, avoiding any loud slurping. While slurping is traditional in some cultures, if quiet is your goal, take smaller bites and try to minimize any noise. After enjoying your quiet ramen, tackle cleanup with the same mindful approach. Soak your dishes immediately to prevent dried-on food and noisy scrubbing later. Gently wipe down your countertops and cooking surfaces, avoiding any harsh scraping sounds. When storing any leftover ingredients, handle containers and packaging quietly to maintain the peaceful atmosphere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.